Navigating through hard times, an English phrase explained. Hello, dear friends and language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into a phrase that you might come across in books, news, and everyday conversations: hard times. Understanding phrases like these can be incredibly useful, not just for improving your English, but for expressing ideas and emotions that are a common part of the human experience. So, let's get started and unpack the meaning and use of hard times. When we talk about hard times, we're referring to periods in life that are difficult or challenging. These can be personal struggles, like health problems or the loss of a job, or they can be larger societal issues, such as economic recessions or natural disasters. The key here is that hard times signify a phase that is stressful and testing for individuals or communities. It's important to note that hard times can imply more than just a brief moment of difficulty. The word times suggests a duration, meaning that these challenges are not just one-off events, but periods that require endurance and resilience. Moreover, hard times often come with a connotation of overcoming adversity. It's not just about the struggle, but also about the journey of coping and eventually finding a way through these challenges. Let's see how hard times is used in different sentences. During the recession, many families went through hard times. She stood by me during my hard times. Hard times teach valuable lessons. In these examples, hard times is used to refer to economic hardship, personal support during adversity, and the idea that struggles can lead to growth and learning. In English, we love our synonyms. Here are a few that are similar to hard times: tough times, difficult times, trying periods, rough patches. While these can often be used interchangeably, each one might carry a slight difference in tone or connotation, which is a fun subtlety of the English language. To use hard times effectively in your own speech or writing, connect it with personal stories or global events that illustrate struggle and endurance. Pair it with verbs that convey action during these periods, such as endure, overcome, face, or survive. Remember, using phrases like hard times can add depth to your stories and help you resonate with your audience. We've reached the end of our journey through hard times. It's a phrase that carries weight and reflects a common thread in the tapestry of human experiences. I hope this video has shed light on how to understand and use this phrase in your English communication. Keep practicing, keep learning, and remember, through our language, we share not just words, but also the resilience and hope that define us. Until next time, take care and may you navigate your hard times with courage and support.